Reach high, aim high, and obtain.
Here we go, folks. Just to let you know, we're at the TaylorIt kitchen. And here today, what I have in this glass right here, and it has a lid that pops on it. So what I am going to make is mayonnaise. And this is some of the best homemade mayonnaise you ever had. And not only is it delicious, but it hasn't any chemicals of any kind whatsoever in it. So let me tell you what is in it.
Oh, it's foolproof.
And it's what?
Foolproof. It works every time.
This recipe has never failed. So what you do, it works every time. It doesn't fail. So what I do, the first thing I do is put 2 eggs in the bottom. Now you know how a lot of people say you got to have the egg yolk separated from the egg white, and then you got to have your eggs at room temperature, and you got to have all this stuff. Well, I'll tell you right now, I just take the eggs, I can take them straight out of the fridge and put them in this glass. And then what I do is I put in just a pinch of salt. And after a pinch of salt, I get my tablespoon measuring teaspoons out. And first of all, I put in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then I put in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then what I do is I put in 2 tablespoons of mustard. Then I put 1/8 of a teaspoon of honey. You don't go you can go less on the honey, but you can't go more, because if you go more, what it'll do to make the mayonnaise too soft and too liquidy. And so then what I do is I take avocado oil, pure avocado oil, and I've got it in this glass, because in this glass I just fill, once I got all the ingredients in there, I just fill the glass up with oil, and that should be right at 2 cups. Then I simply blend it. I do an immersion blender, and the reason I do the immersion blender, it fits right down in there, and I can start at the bottom and work my way right up, and by the time I get to the top, I got mayonnaise, and it's fast. Now, I've done something different this time. I refrigerate, I put all this together, and I didn't have time to make it. I was pushing for some other stuff so I could get into bed, so I just stuck it in the fridge. So everything is ice cold. So we're gonna see if this works. So here we go. Now I want you to look at that. I'm just pulling it up, and before I can get to the top, look at that. Look at that. We're starting to get mayonnaise already. I'm finished. Now, look at that.
That's beautiful.
That is just gorgeous. And not only is that beautiful, that is totally ready to eat. It's done. And there you go.